I will now walk through the app that I've created. So I've already registered few users, so I'll show you the details. Cody, and upon pressing the login button, I've seen the image, the user that I've already taken. So let's go back and see other user. So this is the image taken by the second user. Now let's go back and see if we can register any new user or not. So yeah, so the new user, say Priya at gmail.com, and see password, and I'm registering the user Priya. So the user can take a picture that he or she wants. So yeah, this is the picture of my house. Sweet, isn't it? So do I want to crop it? No, it looks fine. So done. So Priya has taken the picture and the image has been successfully uploaded to the database. So I press OK, just go back, open my app again, and let's see if Priya can log in or not. The password. There you go, Priya. Now you can see the picture that you have taken. Thank you.
Code that I've used for developing the app. So you see, this filebase.html is a place where that is responsible for the front end part of the app. So you see there is a username, a text field, a password, a text field for typing the password, and you have two buttons, login and register. So basically, as I've developed this app in Ionic 1, I've been using Angular.js 1 for this. That is why you see in gclick, gmodels, basically I've used model view and controller for this. So let's go and see what's that in index.html. So this is the place where I've stored the configuration that is necessary for Firebase to initialize. So I've got all the API keys and initialize the app. This whole information I've got from my travel advisor. This is my Firebase database. So let's see where I could get this information. Go here, see my settings, come here. Once you configure your project, so this shows the source code where you get in all your API keys, database URL and everything. So this is the code where that I've copied into this location to initialize my Firebase. So amp.js, this is a file where I have all the backend logic or the behavior logic responsible for this. So basically, an image app is an Angular module. It has a starter, Ionic, Cordova, and Firebase initializer. So image app.run is a location where the app execution starts. And this is the configuration that I'm using for this app. So basically, I have a state provider, your provider. So this is actually aligning with the React.js where we have different states. So once you load a page, only the particular section will load. So that is the advantage of having the states. So basically I have two states now, Firebase and secure. So this is the URL and the template URL for this. And those are the two controllers for Firebase and secure controller. So this is the logic that we have in controller for the Firebase. So anything that comes from Firebase authentication will be stored in FBAuth. So here we're asking for sign with email and password, and once done, then we go to secure state. Otherwise, we return an error. And then, as we have two functionalities, one is for login, other is for register. The scope here is for the register. So here we create a username and password, and once we are done, we'll return both the email and password here. And we have a secure controller here. So this is used for clearing your history, storing your images. And this part here is responsible for storing your images. sorry, the one here. So upload function here, this is the one which is responsible for adding the images. So this get picture function here is the one that is responsible for storing your images. Thank you.